Did you know there's a science-backed trick to stop hiccups fast? It's all about controlling your phrenic nerve, which controls your diaphragm's movement. Here's what you do. First, take a deep breath in through your nose. 2. Without exhaling, try to inhale again, just a bit more air, even if it's hard. Then, with all your effort, take one last tiny breath in. Now hold that air in for 15 to 20 seconds. Finally, exhale slowly. This technique helps relax the spasm in your diaphragm. Give it a try next time the hiccups hit.